and don't need my calculator. Huh? Five and 6. No, there we go. Do you have number 5 there to read?
Yep.
Yeah. What happens in number 5? Oh, this is the diving board, isn't it?
Yeah. The diver jumps from a high board that is 3 meters high. Her angle is rather steep at 60 degrees, and her jumping off at off speed is 5 meters per second. What would be her maximum height above the pool, and how long until she can swim?
Okay, so she has an x and a y, of course, and that would be 5 cos 60 this way, and then this way will be 5 sine 60. So 5 cos 60 is 2.5. And then 5 sine 60 is 4.33. These are, of course, meters per second. So that's our x and our y. And the first one I want was the maximum height, was it?
Yep.
Yeah. So maximum height. So that's the vertical. U, V, A, T, S. U is 4.33. V is 0. A is minus 9.81. T we don't know, S we want. So we'll go with V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. Very usual again. What you get?
1.12 meters.
I got 0.95, but I'm not typing in wrong. What did you get?
I had a 4.3.
0.95.
Yeah.
I had a 4.3.
Oh, maybe. Yeah, okay, yeah. Did I say the maximum height off the pool or the diving board?
The pool.
Off the pool.
No.
Of the diver. The
I
maximum
board
height
that
reached
is the board.
So I'm looking for this one, is it probably? Well, it doesn't matter. We'll just add 3 to it. 4.956 meters. 3.9. Okay. Yep. And then the next one was it the time to get here?
Yes.
Okay. So U, V, A, T, S. U 4.33. V we don't know. A minus 9.81. T we don't know. And S is?
Minus 3.
S equals formula now. Yes. S equals U T plus a half 4.905, isn't it? A half a t squared. 4.905 t squared minus 4.33 t
minus 3.
Right, mode, let's check this out. So, first answer, t is 1.34 seconds, and the next answer you reject, because it's negative. So, that's this answer, and then that's the first part.
That's a really fast job.
Yes, it is, I suppose. Although I don't think the 5 is too fast here, you see. Probably should have made it more like a 10.
Yeah, but let's say she is dropped from a height of 3 meters. Once that Oh no, 3 meters is really not much.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have this one? Can we do number 6? Okay. Is number 6 the pirate ship?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a cannon on a cliff.
A cannon fires a ball at the pirate ship. The cannon is on top of a few 100-meter cliff. The cannon is at an angle of theta degrees and it's to the ground, and the cannon can fire cannonballs at 33 meters per second. The pirate ship is 200 meters away from the base of the cliff. Produce an equation with only the variable theta in it.
Pirate ship. Right.
200 meters.
And 200 meters. So we know how fast the cannon can fire the cannonball at, and we know the heights. I was trying to make this realistic because for projectiles often you're trying to hit something. So often we know heights and lengths and speeds, but it's angles that is the thing that we don't know. So that's what I mean by realistic. So we're trying to figure out, I didn't even want you to figure out the angle, I just wanted you to make an equation with the angle in it, so that when you solve it, you have the answer. This one here is 33 cos theta, and this one here is 33 sine theta. So what should I look at first, the horizontal or the vertical? The horizontal, because it's easier and you have the length, the 200, that's why. So if you look at the horizontal, we can use our distance, speed, time triangle. So what would the time be? What would be the time?
Distance times speed.
Distance over speed, and the distance is 200 and the speed is 33 cos theta. Now let's look at the vertical. UVATS. U is 33 sine theta. V we don't know. A is minus 9.81. T we do know. It's 200 over 33 cos theta. And S we also know. What is it? S?
200.
No. Minus 300.
Oh, this is the...
Yes, it is. So let's see what equation we can make. S equals U T plus a half A T squared. That's all I want you to do. It's a little too difficult for semester 1 to solve this. We don't have the right maths coverage yet. But if you look at it, what you have is one equation, one unknown, the theta. So it's solvable. You could solve it to get the angle. It's just we don't have the maths to solve it yet. That's all I needed you to, that's all I wanted you to do here, was to at least make this equation to solve.
Does that need the identity?
Yeah, which we haven't done yet. So it needs an identity. One you might remember from school, sine over cos is tan, but it has an identity for 1 over cos squared as well that we need. 1 over cos squared is sec squared, secant squared, sec squared, yeah. And sec squared is 1 plus tan squared. So we just haven't done that yet. So this is all I need you to do here. Okay, so can you write this one down? Yeah. The only way you could solve this today is by trying different angles to see which one makes minus 300. Now you could do something like that in Excel. You could have the angles go from 0 to 90 and then see which one makes this equal to minus 300. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. Do you know what a cliff is?
We can
But I
also-
don't know the canal.
I do know cannon. Alright. Pirate ship?
Boom!
Yes. That's a cannon.
And I don't know that is theta. I thought it's 0.
Yes, okay. No, that 0 would be a problem, yeah. Alright, go on, just for you. This is the cliff here. This is a cannon. You like my picture? You know what a cannon is? No, you don't like my picture.
If you draw it bigger, it would be.
This is a bad cannon.
I'm pulling out a picture from Google. We have Lee, he's the architect.
I thought
Yeah,
canal
Lee.
is the
Oh,
Lee is an architect.
Ask him as well.
Lee is an architect.
They can,
He
Are you?
knows extremely well.
Oh,
they
good,
can
maybe.
draw a 3D thing.
You can do a 3D cannon, nice, yeah. You got a picture of a cannon? Yes. This is theta. It's a Greek letter, and this is a pirate ship.
Why you use theta, not alpha?
Alpha. You can change all of these to alpha if it makes you feel better. Alpha, 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 alpha. Theta.
No, alpha is fine.
Theta.
What is it? Theta.
That's a different one.
Yeah,
Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, iota, mu, nu,
Theta.
eta, omega, sigma, theta,
Bro.
phi, psi, zeta, lots of them. Yeah. So today we're using theta. Tomorrow we could use alpha. It's how I feel. Okay, so that's the projectiles. They're not really too difficult once you get your head to understanding them. They're just really UVATS problems, really. It's just trying to understand them is the hard part. How did you get on with these last night? How was number 5 last night?
5 was,
The diver.
5 was okay.
I know this last one's hard. Did anyone get this last night? No? Is that because you didn't do it, or it was too hard? Yes? Okay. Let's have a look here at the next